So guys, I'm here with Kyrie, as you can see him.
You can see me.
I know you can't see us today. We're gonna have to make something that you can see us.
Yeah,
But today we're gonna be playing. You know, we're gonna go ahead and play Murder Mystery. Just gotta find it. It's right here. We're just gonna be playing a little bit.
Man,
of Murder
you
Mystery.
dumbass. That's sad.
People can hear you. So we're gonna be playing Murder Mystery. I know that we don't play this very often, but we just gonna play it today. So just read Kyron comments. I'm just playing on this phone because mine
No,
is
you don't have to
basically
read my comments,
because
guys.
basically mine is on 2%. Y'all see my character? What Kyron's character? He bugs with his Robux. You know he on his grandma phone. So
It's so
he don't have no inventories or
Man.
nothing like that. He just got his regular knife. But I kinda do too. But except I have, for me being a murderer, I have other stuff. But
Tootie has a lot of knives, dude.
oh yeah, my cousin. Yeah, but
He has a
go
lot of
go friend him. His name is Too Icy.
Two icy put
But,
a downwards line and
But just going here, Kyron glitched in here once, twice.
twice.
This is a trick, y'all, but it might take a few tries. You have to get somewhere where the corner, turn your camera,
Face it
and
down.
push it this way until you actually go inside.
Man, I didn't do that.
And that trick does work. Just
You don't have to do that. You have to face your camera down and then push your camera into your body. And then
there's different ways to do it.
How you know?
I watch YouTube.
Man.
Okay, so guys, I'm not sure who the murderer is, so I'm gonna run for my life.
I am murderer.
I'm running for my life. Guys, sorry I'm bad. This phone lags a lot.
No, I'm walking, so you make me walking slow. Then I'ma die. Cause your big self wanna die.
Okay,
What?
so guys, we're gonna have to make something that's gonna make you like see us, because I know that you can't see us. So we're gonna have to make something. We're gonna have to. We're gonna do something about that in our next video. We're gonna do something about that.
We'll
you
try.
can actually see us.
We'll make
But it might be dark in here because all the lights off and it's basically nighttime. We're shooting this video at around like 12 o'clock. So sorry
Come on,
if it's gonna be dark. So
You have to make something like early in the morning or early live stream.
Oh yeah. I basically just died by this stupid dummy.
For real, bro. Some of the hackers, they good, man. Some of those guests that guess.
I guess right though.
Poor guests.
Let me look for the person who glitch.
I could do that, dude. I could do that. That's so easy.
Wait, but where?
He glitched.
Him too.
Oh, it's gone. Man,
She did.
she Percocet. She Percocet. She chasing. Dude. Bernie.
Your phone tap.
Madison's dead. Madison's dead.
Let me see the phone, Kyrie.
I don't have
Look,
it.
Grandma.
Whose phone is that?
No.
What are you playing?
You play Roblox. Yeah, Roblox. It's an achievement game. You could earn badges.
Okay, guys.
Madison put that crab. Madison put that crab right there.
Boy, please, you put that up there. Oh, this dude got overshare. That's so cool.
Man, I want that. You couldn't have that.
No. You don't have overshare yet?
He should
You
have.
got them other cool knives, though.
What's their name? Huh?
What's their name?
You say they have school knives?
Oh, yeah, like Dennis and all that.
Alright.
Dang it. But
Can I do this one? Guys, I'm
so
doing this
basically,
round.
we just take
I'm not a noob.
Oh, somebody called Karen a noob.
I'm not a noob. I'm a poor little sad man that has 1 Robux. Madison is dead.
Cause it's going
It's
dead.
dead.
It's on 2%.
What life we have to go on because this guy have overshare. He has a lot of Robux. He could glitch out of here. Glitches, yeah, it's so easy. Glitches is so easy, dude.
I don't know how to do ground
What?
glitches.
Look at that girl.
I only know how to do.
Look, that
I
girl
see
had a
it.
fire.
I only know how to do jump glitches, guys.
You need to learn how to do camera glitches. Madison, you need to start learning how to do some camera glitches.
I
Because
do know how to do them.
look, this guy doing. Look, he doing
I
it.
do know how to do them. You just gotta do them more than once.
Yeah. He glitched in us, see? Man, it's so easy. How you know that? Dude, come on, hurry up and glitch. Oh!
Karen, you shot that person.
I'm so sorry.
He in the ground. Go, look.
Ow. He said, wow.
Karen, say sorry. You put that man in the ground.
I'm so sorry.
Say it.
I'm so sorry. I'm just
Go to
looking.
chat.
No, I ain't sorry. Oh, frick, I'm out of here. Freak this. I'm out of here.
He
Y'all
not
can
gonna
say
die.
that XD. Y'all can say
XD.
XD all yo. I'm about to glitch in here and nobody will catch me. Man, I can't even glitch on this phone. Ah, the murder! The freaking murder!
So apparently Karen died. I'm going to be playing next round.
No, I want to play next round.
I'm playing next round.
No, I am.
I'm playing next round. So
I'm playing next round.
if y'all can hear me clearly, clap your hands.
Man, you think they babies? That's you stupid.
But I'm
You in
talking.
5th grade, you saying clap your hands. You clap your hands in your face. I'm in 3rd. You saying clap your hands. You ain't no baby. People.
Karen,
Not
listen.
babies,
Hey,
not
y'all, listen to this. I'm inhaling a icy thing, and it has icy. Listen.
Then you find it. Look at this Zoe girl. This girl has a fiery knife and a blaster. I ain't messing with her. If I mess with her and she blasts me, I'm gonna blast her back in the head. So after this, when Master do this round, I mean when I do this round.
When I do this round.
Yeah, you do this. Man, let me glitch first. When you done with this round, I'm gonna be doing some knife ability tests because remember I tried to throw the knife and it didn't work. I need some practice. I need a lot of practice. I have a lot of kills, but I need a lot of practice. Dude, it's not working. It works on my phone. I try to maximum. It works on my phone. It should work on mine. Come on. But you have to glitch the achievement. And I glitched right here. That's up. That's what the heck, bro? Cool. Your cousin have that?
Y'all see that blue knife?
Yeah.
That's also an assassin. And that fire knife that y'all saw, that's also an assassin. Most of the knives that you see on here is on assassin.
Yeah, because
Besides the name knives, the only name knife there is on
This
here is
was
poke. It's poke.
yeah.
Oh, and if y'all want the code for poke, it is lowercase p. I'm murderer, guys. It is lowercase p.
I want to be.
Wait, listen. It's lowercase p, 1p, 0, k, 3. If y'all want to know that. So yeah.
Man, you gonna be so terrible, then you gonna die. You stupid.
You jinxing me.
Oh, we can throw it now.
Man, you could have been there. You just didn't know how. Where's she at? I don't know where you at. Don't think I don't.
Somebody put a bomb on you.
It's gonna explode. I like these. This is gonna explode, but I'm not gonna die. I like these.
I know that. It's a prank bomb. You have to prank your friends with it.
They're so cool. But I don't know how to put them on people.
You have to tap. It's a lot of Robux, dude.
My girl.
Oh, we exploded. Guard the gun. Nah, we ain't no
No,
camper.
because they gonna say camper.
Yeah, we ain't no camper. We Robux people.
So guys, just to let y'all know, if y'all guard the gun in Roblox, they're gonna call you a camper.
For real. You know, like, and you gotta be so mad.
It's kind of better if you do it in first person.
Yeah, you could throw it.
Can't believe I'm
Let me
saying
throw it.
this.
Can I throw it? I wanna do. Can I kill 1, 2 people?
Wait, because I don't even see nobody.
I can find people. I know how to find. Let me do it.
Stop. It's not your turn. So yeah, guys, if y'all don't know, I'm a big fan of collecting coins. Oh, I know what he is. They in that.
They glitched.
You heard that? The gun.
The guy. They said the guy. Doug. I'm a Doug.
Turn the
I'm a
gun.
Doug.
Somebody got it.
And they shooting me. You can't move the camera, man. Man, so he can see you. You wanna get definitely shot.
Dang it.
See, you terrible. This girl terrible. Now to move on to the next game, guys. The
This
next,
is going to be 2 games in one
yeah, like
video.
it's so crazy. Oh, I'm tired of this. I am tired of this. Guys, we need to find KT. Man.
Well, you know what, guys? We're just going to end the video for today, and we're going to do another video. Peace.